Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss what is temporal dead zone in JavaScript. For that guys, I will declare two variables. Before declaring it, I'll just write console.log of var variable and I'll write console.log of letVariable, right? If you see in the code, I have not at all declared any value here. I have not even initialized anything. So what is var variable? It is not declared, it is not initialized. What is let variable? It is not declared, it is not initialized. Right? So let me now initialize and declare and initialize the var variable. So I'll write var variable equal to, I'll write 1. I'll write let variable. I'll declare and initialize let variable. So I'll write. So what do you think the answer will be? The JavaScript will start compiling from the top, right? So let us now just see what will be the value initially. So node temporal dead zone.js. Okay. The first I got undefined. See what is undefined here? So this value, the first console log, we are getting it undefined. And the second console log, what I'm getting an error. What error I'm getting? Cannot access letVariable before initialization. As rightly said, it was not initialized here. So where we can see the difference now, where even before declaring and initializing, I'm getting undefined for this, right? So before declaring and initializing letVariable, I'm getting what? Some error, right? I'm getting cannot access letVariable before initialization. So this is known as temporal dead zone. The term is just a description is the state which variables are unreachable. The state where variables are unreachable and they are in scope but they are not declared. The time, or you can even add like the time between the declaration initialization of the variable. From here to here, this is temporal dead zone. And I will also explain one simple concept here. If you compare with var and let, var is compared to lenient than let. Let is like very strict kind of declaration. If you just uncomment it, you just comment this too, right? And if you run this again, right? So I'll get the value undefined. Before even initialization, initialization, and even before declaring, I'm getting undefined, right? So if I comment this and if I uncomment this one, right? If I run this, see, if I run this, I'll get like this. See, the cannot access let variable before initialization. So let is comparatively strict than var, where we can there is no restriction in var. There are like few restrictions here. If you want to access this, we have to control X. We have to paste it here, and we can easily access. So now the answer will be 1 because let variable we have given 1. If we uncomment this, if now I will not get any error, but I'll get undefined and 1. See, var is not at all, is not like strict as let. So let me add it here, right? Now I'll get 1 and 1. So the temporal dead zone is nothing but the state in which variables are unreachable, they are in scope but they are not declared. So these two are in scope. These two are in scope but they are not declared. The time taken for them to declare and for them to be in scope, for them to be declared and initialized is temporal dead zone. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you are a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.